Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about cheating, infidelity, having an affair. First of all, a quick recap. Hi, I'm Steve, the Agony Uncle, your Agony Uncle, and my channel is all about offering you some life advice, some relationship advice, some motivation advice. You get in touch, you let me know what's concerning you, and I'll give you the benefit of my life experience. So that's what this channel is all about. I'm trying to grow just a small community of people who can really benefit from my advice. That could be you, or it could be a friend of yours. So please drop a comment down below, anything you'd like me to discuss, any advice you think that I might be able to offer you, and send me an email, whatever, and we can take it from there. But today's video, cheating. So the inspiration for my videos I really find in my day-to-day life, and two things happened in this last couple of weeks. One is I saw a video on Facebook of a teenage girl, say possibly 18 or 19, absolutely breaking her heart because her boyfriend of 5 or 6 months had cheated on her. And her question was, why? Why did you cheat on me? If I wasn't enough for you, why did you not have the guts to finish with me first before you cheated on me? Not only did you cheat on me, but then you lied about it and tried to carry on our relationship when actually you knew that whatever it was you were looking for, I wasn't it. So could you not have just broken up with me? Because actually the fact that you lied and cheated on me was worse than actually what you did. You know, if I wasn't enough, break up with me. And then you're free to do what you like. But to go behind my back and cheat on me. So that was my first inspiration. And the second was a brief conversation I had with a lady who'd been married, I believe it was 26 years. And she recently found out that her husband had been having an affair for 14, 15 months. And it was an affair. That's not a fling. That's not a one-night stand. That's not a mistake. 14 months he was having an affair. But what really rang alarm bells for me is a lady said to me that they had decided to work on their marriage. Now, I'm not here to make this any more uncomfortable or to destroy anybody's marriage. But the fact that she said that they had decided to work on their marriage, they, as in both of them, that doesn't quite sit comfortably with me, because she's done nothing wrong, absolutely nothing wrong to warrant her husband having an affair for 14 months. I don't really care what state their marriage was in. There's nothing that she could have done that warranted him lying, cheating, and having an affair, sneaking off and putting his effort into his affair, the effort that he should have and could have put into their marriage. They don't need to work on their marriage. He needs to work on his marriage. My advice is that lady should carry on doing exactly what she was doing. He should be grovelling for her forgiveness, if she can even forgive him. But there's no excuse for having an affair. Just like the boyfriend that cheated on the girl, the fact that he went behind her back and put all his effort into having an affair. This comes down to the confusion between love and lust. If they've been married for 26 years, he loves her. He has loved her. She loves him. There's no question about that. But he lusted after somebody else. He didn't leave his wife for this other woman. He didn't decide their marriage was over. Some would say he wanted his cake and eat it. But I think he already had his cake. He had a woman that had stuck by him for 26 years. He was in a relationship with somebody he loved for 26 years. He didn't stop loving her, because if he had, he'd have sat her down and said, I'm sorry, it's not working, it's over, I'm moving out, I want a divorce. He lied and he cheated because he wanted the best of both worlds. He wanted the lust and the love. But to me, if you love someone, that's far more powerful than any lust. A 14-month relationship, how many times did he lie? How many times did he have to make up stories? How much effort, how much risk did he take to maintain that affair for 14 months. Surely that effort could have been put into his marriage. That effort should have been put into his marriage. There's no excuse. That lady doesn't need to work on her marriage. She did nothing wrong. I don't care if they weren't intimate. That's not her fault. You could say that was their fault. But why didn't he talk to her about it? Why didn't he say to her, this relationship is not working, this marriage is not working, I need to move on? And then go and have a relationship with somebody else. Go and have lust with somebody else. Maybe fall in love with somebody else. But to go behind her back for 14 months, that's just unforgivable. That lady, I don't know. I don't know enough of the story to know whether the husband convinced his wife that she did something wrong to make him feel better, to try and spread the blame. Because, oh, well, you do know that, I wouldn't have done this if you had done this or if you had done that. What did he find, apart from a little bit of lust and a bit of excitement? What did he find in that affair that his wife wasn't giving him? She was giving him love. She gave him 26 years. I'm sure they went through good times and bad, as all marriages do. But what made him decide that he was going to have an affair for 14 months? I'm not saying a one-night stand isn't just as bad, because it is. But that is just a one-night stand that happens. But 14 months of lying and cheating and not putting the effort to repair whatever he thought was wrong with their marriage, to me that's unforgivable. But of course, I'm not part of that marriage. And that lady said to me that they were going to work on their marriage. I would say to that lady, hang on a minute. I think your husband needs to work on his marriage. I think your husband has some serious thinking to do. And if he comes to you and says, I had the affair because our marriage is over, why didn't he have the guts to do that 14 months ago? If their marriage is over, which personally I think it probably is, they should be sitting down and working out an amicable way of separation. But I don't believe that lady should be working at her marriage. I think the fact that she's been with her husband for 26 years, that is so important, and for him to throw some of that away by having an affair. No, that man should stand up and do the honourable thing that he couldn't do 14 months ago. He should either apologise and say, I will put all that effort into my marriage that I should have done, or he should just walk out. He should just say to her, I'm sorry, it's over. And they should work their differences out that way. But no, that lady shouldn't work at her marriage. That lady should carry on loving her husband if she can find it in her to do that. That lady should accept that none of this was her fault. None of it was her fault. Her husband needs to remember the difference between lust and love. What's your opinion? Do you agree with me? Do you not agree with me? How do I know what I'm talking about? Believe me, I know. But that's another video for another day. Please drop your comments down below. Tell me you agree. Tell me you disagree. Please remember to share this video with somebody else you think who may get some value from it. Please subscribe to my channel and let's form this small community of like-minded people that can give each other some moral support and to perhaps look at their problems from a different perspective. Please like, subscribe, and remember to join me again. I do my best to upload videos every week. Thank you for watching. And remember, if you don't take care of yourself, you won't be able to take care of anybody else. Thank you. Goodbye.